National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northwestern Will County in northeastern Illinois, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:04 p.m., a tornado-producing storm was located over Oswego, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar-confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic storm will be near Aurora, Naperville, Bolingbrook, Romeoville, Plainfield, and Oswego around 9:10 p.m. Woodbridge around 9:15 p.m. Homer Glen around 9:20 p.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.